Good morning, students. In previous video, we have learned that how applied history is related with our present life. There we have learned management of heritage sites. In management of heritage site, the preservation and conservation of cultural and natural heritage have been done. Then we have seen that this applied history help us to understand about our present and guide us for taking the right steps in the future. Then here then again we have seen that in management of cultural and natural heritage, so cultural heritage were of two types, that is tangible cultural heritage and intangible cultural heritage. Then we have seen natural heritage. So we have seen that UNESCO have made some of the directives. According to that directives, if the particular natural sites or cultural heritage is fulfilling that criteria, then they can be considered as world heritage sites. Now here in this video we are going to learn about which are the Indian tradition declared as oral and tangible heritage, then world cultural heritage sites, then world natural heritage site. Dear students, whatever information is given here, this information is very useful from the point of view of exam, because in fill in the blanks questions or uh, identify the wrong pair, many questions can come from here, so by heart this. Okay, so let us see the Indian traditions declared as oral and intangible heritage in 2001. Kutiyattam Sanskrit Theatre, Kerala. In 2003, the tradition of Vedic chanting. Vedic chanting means, you know, in Vedas there are different types of mantras for different situations. They are all things. Then 2005, Ram Leela, the traditional performance of Ramayana in Uttar Pradesh. In Uttar Pradesh there is one group who is representing Ram Leela, that is the stories of Ramayana. Then in 2009, Raman, that is religious festival and ritual theatre of the Garhwal Himalayas. In 2010, Kalbelia. Kalbelia, here which things are included? Folk songs and dances of Rajasthan. So in Kalbelia, the folk dances, songs and dances of Rajasthan are included here. Then 2010, Chhau dance, that is a tradition from Eastern India. In Eastern India there is a dance, that is Chhau dance. Then Mudiyat in 2010, a ritual theatre of Kerala. In 2012, Buddhist chanting of Ladakh, recitation of sacred Buddhist texts in the Trans-Himalayan Ladakh region, Jammu and Kashmir. So here some Buddhist prayers are there. So their chanting, their text is included. In 2013, Sankirtana, this रिचुअल सिंगिंग मीन्स हमारी प्रथा परंपराओं से रिलेटेड जो सिंगिंग है, जो प्रेयर्स है वो. Drumming and dancing of Manipur, so there is a particular way of drumming and dancing that is also included. This is actually intangible heritage that cannot be touched, that can be felt only. Then in 2014, traditional craft of making utensils of brass and copper among the among the Thateras of Jandiala, Guru, Punjab. And then in 2016, yoga was included. See, India's yoga practice is well known all over the world. Many countries are practicing yoga to get out, to reduce their stress, to get stamina, to improve their immunity, to keep themselves healthy, and particular diseases should not attack them. So this is by doing yoga we are increasing our immunity power, रोग प्रतिकारक शक्ति जिसे बोलते हैं हम लोग. Then world cultural heritage sites of India are given as follows. 1983 Agra Fort, 1983 Ajanta Caves, 1983 again Verul Ellora Caves. Then in 1983 again Taj Mahal. In 1984 group of monuments at Mahabalipuram. There is one place, that is Mahabalipuram. There is a group of monuments. Then in 1984 Sun Temple of Konark, you know, Sun Temple of Konark. Then in 1986 Churches and Convents of Goa. Then in 1986 Fatehpur Sikri, that is in Rajasthan. Then 1986 again group of monuments at Hampi. You know, in Hampi there was an excavation. Some monuments, some streets have been discovered there. In 1986 Khajuraho group of monuments. In 1987 Elephanta Caves. In 1987 Great Living Chola Temples. In Chola Kingdom there were some of the temples that are included in World Cultural Heritage Sites. In 2004 Gangai Konda Cholapuram. What? Gangai Konda Cholapuram. Brihadeshwar and Airavateshwar at Darasuram. Then in 1987 group of monuments of Patta Dakal. Then in 1989 Buddhist monuments at Sanchi. Then in 1993 Humayun's tomb, that is in Delhi. Then in 1993 Qutub Minar and its monument, Delhi. Then in 1999 Mountain Railway of India. In mountain side there are some railways. They are also included in World Cultural Heritage Site. So let us see which are that. Darjeeling Himalaya Railway, Nilgiri Mountain Railway, then Kalka Shimla Railway. In 2002 Mahabodhi Temple Complex at Bodh Gaya. Then in 2003 rock shelters of Bhimbetka. It is in Madhya Pradesh. In Madhya Pradesh Bhimbetka caves are there, and from there how ancient people were drawing paintings on the caves, such information is given there. Then in 2004 Champaner Pevgad Archaeological Park. Then in 2004 Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus Mumbai, that is the old one. Then 2007 Red Fort Complex Delhi. Then 2010 the Jantar Mantar Jaipur Rajasthan. Then 2013 Hill Forts of Rajasthan in 2013. Then 2014 Rani Ki Vav, that is the Queen's Stepwell at Patan in Gujarat. Then in 2016 archaeological site of Nalanda Mahavihara, that is Nalanda University at Nalanda, Bihar. Then 2016 the Capital Complex at Chandigarh, and then in 2017 Ahmedabad Historical City. So now let us see World Natural Heritage Sites. So in 1985 Kaziranga National Park. In 1985 again Keoladev National Park. Then in 1985 Manas Wildlife Sanctuary. Then in 1987 Sundarbans National Park. Then in 1988 Nanda Devi and Valley of Flowers National Park. So this Valley of Flowers is very famous actually. There you can see everywhere in that region there would be different types of flowers and butterflies who were roaming over there. So this is just like the eye-catching beauty of that place was superb. Then 2012 Western Ghats. In 2014 Great Himalaya National Park Conservation Area and mixed, that is this is natural heritage site also and cultural heritage site also, that is Khang Chenjunga National Park. Like this we have seen these different traditional, tangible heritage site oral. Then we have seen world cultural heritage sites. Then we have seen world natural heritage site. Then mix, that is means world natural heritage site also and cultural heritage site also. This is included there.